everyone. We are in Telluride for the night and wanted to show you how easy it is to pop up the night cat tent. So, can tie me, get it out of its bag. And then there's a bungee that you take off. And then you just kind of tie. And she's up. That's it. Miles is working on getting the fire set up over there. We have the tent set up, the X-Ped is blown up, sleeping bags are in there, pillows are in there. Butter's taking a rest, and I'm working on dinner. Today we are going to be doing some pulled pork sandwiches on these delicious looking pretzel buns. And we bought the pulled pork that was already fully seasoned and fully cooked. So we'll just have to heat that up. And then we have some baked beans. So that will be dinner tonight. We have rearranged the car multiple times, so it's looking a little more organized. Every day we move, we rearrange things. And we're just gonna get the fire started, have some dinner, and call it a night. Relax. This is Telluride. And this is the finished product. Looks pretty tasty.
Working now.
It is morning. We are making breakfast, toasting up some bagels, going to have protein shakes, and I'm making some Lazy Man's coffee with the instant packets. So we're gonna figure out if we're gonna hike today or just go explore the town of Telluride. TBD.
Alright, we're at a campsite tonight. I'm not doing anything dispersed. I don't know why we decided to check in. Oh, I think because I wanted to shower in the river. And we couldn't find anything nearby the river. And we wanted to have more of a low-key, relaxed night. This is a beautiful campsite. But in any case, it's called Mary E. Campground. The host is right over there checking somebody else in. He said only tell your closest friends. So that's why we're putting it on YouTube, only our closest friends. But we're just hanging out, pretty low-key, drinking some weird IPA. I'm not an IPA guy. You guys have seen me in the garage, more of a natural ice, natural light guy, Bud Light. But we're drinking some weird local IPAs and just playing cards. Hanging out, having a low-key evening tonight. We might do some more hikes in Telluride tomorrow. Otherwise, we're gonna head to Black Canyon of the Gunnison.
Snacks?
Oh yeah.
Cards? Ippas! Butter!
Just did a polar plunge. Everybody's awake. Butter did a polar plunge. Very nice morning morning jump in this river. Beautiful out here. How'd you like the polar plunge?
It was cold.
It was cold.
Yeah.
But you feel alive.
Yeah, like your legs get super red because it's so cold.